Hey, this is Ayush. This is my submission for the big hackathon. My project name is Gravit. It's basically a game. I did not choose to create a website. I've been using it for a long time, and this time I planned to do something different. And it's tough, like creating a game on the beach. It's a tough challenge. So I took on it. I took my time to create the game, and thanks for the opportunity. And that helped me to do something out of my comfort zone. So yeah, let's get started with the demo. Okay, so let's get started with the demo. So this is the home page. And you can see grab it and you can see highest score. It's a layout for the game as well. And after you click on start, you'll see controls and gameplay. Uh, so let me tell you about the gameplay. What's the gameplay for the this game? So grab the bomb, take it away from the base to outer square. You start with the 500 points for your base. So bomb will do the following damage to the base. If the bomb is on the first square, then it will damage 100 points. If it's on the second square, then it will damage around 70 points. And on the third square, it will damage 30 points. So grab it to your base. So we have the three controls on for the game. To break the rope in half, you will need to click on space. To join rope or grab bomb, you need to press Q. And to move the rope, you need to click on mouse or maybe use mouse to move the rope. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So this is how the rope looks like. And yeah, let's start with the demo. So press P to start the game. So first of before we start the demo, so this is our base. This is the first square. This is the second square, and this is the third square. On here we'll have the damage of 100. On here we'll have the damage of 70, and here 30. So I'll start with P and we'll start with the game. So here the bomb comes. Then I need to go here with my foot and grab the bomb. So here we go. After the bomb is exploded, uh, you can connect the rope again. So, so here you can see the bomb vanished directly in that. I press Q to get there. Okay, let me focus on the game. Yeah, that's I'll lose some points. Okay, so I connect the rope over again. Click on it, separate the rope. I grab the bomb out of the square. Okay, there we go. I'll connect the rope again. Uh, on every turn, the game is going to get more faster and more harder. So I'll let them every go. If you can see on the base, it will have 100 points. Uh, yeah. So this is game over, and my score is 704. And you can also sign in on the game, so you'll have your highest score with you. And yeah, this is my creation for the hackathon. Just to note few things. This is not working on the live site, published site, since there are some components that I have not paid for. I don't have the Wix premium currently, and that's why it won't be available on the right site, since I need to buy some domain as well. Okay, so I'll give you the walkthrough to the code page. It's a simple start page with the built-in components. And on the game page, there are lots of audios. Since I'm sorry, my bad. So as I was saying, these are the audios for the game, and this is the screen for the controls and gameplay, and also the whole gameplay will be here, like here. Okay. So let's see the code for the starter page first. Okay, how starter page code looks. Okay, I click here. Okay. So there are some components to get user code and add user code, which are if the user does not exist, then we'll add the zero. If the user doesn't have, like we have the more than one length, then I will create the highest score. So these are the normal things. And on the game page, we have some starters and on-ready functions that are connected from this custom element for which default custom element. I created everything here, every game control here. So let's have a look at few things. So this is a class vector used for ropes. This is the like canvas whole thing handled here. Then we have the obstacles, the red color thing. These are the obstacles. Then we have the rope points. Each rope has a rope point. Each rope has more than one rope point. So we have the rope here itself. We are using vector here, like everything is done by vector. Then we have the init function for the whole game system. This is my game system class in which I have done just call the init and set up the like width and everything. And like after this, it will start the event listener. It will also do the detail unit coding as well. Everything is called from here. If you see here on the init part, you will see we have the argument how we are starting and we are generating the rope. It took us around around 2 weeks and 2 weeks and 2.5 weeks to just to complete the whole mechanics of the game. We have the obstacles, like how obstacles would move and on which speed. Everything is configured and everything is pretty good, I guess. It's written really good. So yeah, this is a little demo of the game. So yeah, I tried to use only which code and which components. There are no other things that are readily I put it in here. And on the game page, if we go back to game page, we are getting the game system here and we are doing everything, like we are getting the score, we are replacing the game over with the new highest score in the score is high. Then we are also coloring if the score is getting minus 170 or 30, we are coloring the boxes as well. This was a really complex process, but yeah, it was really amazing to do something different with Wix rather than just playing like simple, like playing with the lots on this rates that I've used for a long time. And this was a different challenge. And yeah, you can visit the site on this HTTPI, that's my 100 bit site, grab it.